Sabihin mo sa kanya, friend, alam mo, I appreciate you kasi sobrang na-apply mo yung tinuro ko. I also want that result. Can you teach me? Can we collab? Baka something will be there. Kasi meron kang dinala sa plate, meron siyang dinagdag doon maybe. And if you collab, baka sumabog. That's the greatest leadership you can do. That if you can humble yourself down and learn from the people who have the results, then that's next level leadership.
Yes, Coach.
Kasi marami dito lang. I'm right, you're wrong. But they're never happy. Kaya I love Russ kasi. Russ continues to be in that space. Hindi, ano pwede ko matutunan sa'yo? Papatulan niya. Because he wants to expand. So for you, that's next level. Courage. Sige, wait, turuan mo naman ako. Ako, ganyan sinabi ko kay RTD. Sabi ko, bro, turuan mo naman ako. Gusto ko rin maging rockstar sa social media. Sabi niya, sure. And then started giving me tips. Singkitan, sabi ko, Coach, gusto ko rin matuto magbenta ng libro. Sabi niya, sige, punta ka sa space ko. So okay, I continue to be a learner and a teacher at the same time.